Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, today I'm going to make this local egusi soup. This is local egusi soup. I call it local egusi soup because there's no tomatoes, no red bell pepper. I did not add all those red bell pepper tomatoes to it. That's why I call it olden days local egusi soup. Yep, you guys. So this is how I did it. Those are my pepper, crayfish that I just blend that I'm going to add into the protein that is already cooking, you guys. So these are the proteins that I'm going to use for the local egusi soup. Yep, you guys. So those are the proteins. I just add some grounded pepper and crayfish into it, you guys. Yeah. So yeah, my egusi. So guys, I'm going to use this egusi. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to fry this egusi just a little bit before I blend it, okay? So this one is optional. Okay, you only do this when you think that the egusi is the new one. New egusi. There's this new egusi that is not that dry. So for it not to purge your stomach, because sometimes when I eat new egusi, it do purge me, you guys. So I do have running stomach. So that is why I fried this one, because you can see that is a new one, right? Yeah, so this is why I fried it. Yep, you guys, so here are the fish. I'm also going to add this mackerel fish, you guys. I'm going to add this mackerel fish to the soup. So I'm just cleaning it, removing those stuff inside, those things that I don't need that is inside. That is what I'm removing from the fish, you guys. You guys, I told you that I don't throw away my head of fish because I love the bone in it. That is why I don't throw the head away, okay, you guys. Yeah, I love cleaning my fish. I will make sure that I clean it very well, that there is nothing that will be remaining inside, you guys. Okay, yeah, you can see the fish is so clean. I make sure that I remove those stuff in it. Yeah. So yeah, that it is, you guys. After cleaning the fish, I'm going to make sure that I will leave the sink very clean. I love clean sink, you guys. Yeah. I always like to see my sink clean and dry. Okay, so I just add the fish into the protein for some minutes because I'm going to remove the fish later. So in the other pot, I have this water that is boiling already in there because I'm going to add the head of fish that I'm going to use, the dry fish that I'm going to add to this soup, as you guys can see. Okay, so that the dry fish will be a little bit softened for me to clean. Yep, after doing that, I will add some palm oil into my pot. Yep, you guys, so I'll add some palm oil into this pot. Then add some onions. Guys, these onions will give you a sweet aroma, you guys. There's this sweet aroma that fried onions give to your egusi. Okay, it's optional, you guys. It's optional. Even this onion that I'm going to use right now is optional. Okay, you do not need to use it if you don't want to. Yeah, you guys, I'm going to fry these onions to how I want it to be. So here's the egusi that I just blend. I'm going to add some meat stock into it, you guys. Yeah, I just add some meat stock into it and I mix it together, and this is how it look like. Okay, so I'm going to be adding that into my pot, into the pot where I have onions. Okay, so I'm going to fry this egusi a little bit, okay, for it to have that how am I going to call it, I'm going to fry it a little bit, you guys. Okay, you will see how it will look like after frying it for some minutes. Okay, yeah, it is still frying. I just try and stir it, so that it will not burn. Okay, I don't want it to burn. That is why I'm stirring it gently like this. Okay, I'll cover it up again for some minutes. just for some few minutes. Okay, so this is how it look like. This is how it look like. I'm going to stir it. Okay, I'm going to stir it now, and to make sure that it's not burning at the bottom. Okay, so here it is. All right, you guys. So when I was filming this video, my camera went off because there was no battery. Okay, so that is why I did not film where I add the vegetables, how I add this the protein water into it, the meat stock, you guys, because my camera went off, there was no battery. Okay, so yeah, this is how it look like. It is very easy. Hope you guys, this is how it looked like. Thank you for watching. God bless you. The food was so sweet and delicious. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, you guys. I post different type of videos here. So thank you all for watching. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Please subscribe. Bye. Mwah.